Thanks for tuning in to the Send Messages from Your Mobile Phone tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to connect your mobile phone so that you can send a text message to any distribution list right from your phone. The best part about the feature is you don't need to download any mobile application and you don't even need a smartphone. Any mobile phone will work. Let's dive in. After logging into your account, hover the mouse over the Manage tab, go down to Utilities, and click on Configure to Send from Phone. First, you must register the mobile phone number that you want to connect to your account. Enter the mobile number and click Add. A verification code will be sent to that mobile number shortly via text message. Please note that in rare cases, it may take up to 5 minutes to receive your verification code. Once you've received your verification code, enter the code and click the Verify button. Next, select which types of messages you would like to send from your mobile phone. A normal blast allows you to send a text message, instant message, or email. Or you can choose to send a smart blast. To learn how a smart blast works, click on the small blue information button. Once you've selected which message types you'd like to send to, click the Agree to Terms box. Once you've agreed to terms, click Save. Now your phone is activated to send messages. The most important thing to remember when sending messages from your phone is the name of the distribution list you wish to send the message to. For this example, let's use the distribution list name Customers. When sending from your mobile phone, be sure to always send messages to your designated shortcode number. In the message box, you will type in the distribution list name, followed by the message that you would like to send. For this example, you simply text Customers. Make sure to come out on Saturday to receive 30% off your total purchase. Show this message to the cashier to redeem. You can always track all of your messages by going to Send Messages and then to the Recent Messages tab. This concludes our Send from Phone feature tutorial video. Thanks for watching.